Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Matrix exercise 3.1 question number 5 in that first subdivision. Let's see the question. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by. So we need to construct 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 is row by column. This one is number of rows will be 3 and number of column will be 4. So let me write a 3 by 4 matrix first. In that they have given Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus 3i plus j. Now let me construct a 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 means there should be 3 rows and 4 columns. So my first row and first column will be A11. I have taken A, first row, first column, here first row, second column, first row, third column. There should be 4 columns. So first row, 4 columns. Same way A21, A22, that is second row, first column, A23, A24. Similarly, 31, 32, 33 and 34. Now I have just returned the elements, that is we need to find the elements by substituting the value of I and j as 1 and 1 for this and I and j as 1, 2 for this. Now the same way we need to substitute the value here, as there is a modulus, though it is a plus or minus, we need to write the answer with the plus formula. Now A11 we need to find, which is half. Instead of, in the place of I just substitute 1, in the place of j substitute 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to half. Here it becomes minus 2, as it is we need to remove the mod, it becomes plus 2. So 2. Now here it becomes 1. The same way we need to find all the elements by substituting the value. Now 1, 2. Half minus 3 into 1 plus 2 equal to half. Here it becomes 3 minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Now here it becomes 1, so it is half into 1 will become half. The same way A13. A13 is half minus 3 in the place of I1 in the place of J3. Here minus 3 plus 3 will become 0. So 0 into any number will be 0. Now A14 we need to find. So A14 is equal to half modulus minus 3 into 1 plus 4 half. Here minus 3 plus 4 will become 1. So half into 1 will become half. Same way A21 we need to find half modulus minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Here it is half. 3 2s are 6, minus 6 plus 1 is 5. So here 5 by 2. Now A22 half modulus minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Now half. Here 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. As we need to take modulus, it becomes 4. Now this 2 we can cancel and we can write this to be 2. The same way A23 is equal to half modulus minus 3 into 2 plus 3 modulus is equal to, now half. Here it becomes minus 6 plus 3 is 3. 3 by 2. Now we need to find A24. A24 is equal to half modulus minus 3 into the first number plus the second number is equal to half. Here it becomes minus 6 plus 4 is 2. Becomes 1. Now we need to find for A31. A31 equal to half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 1. Now here it becomes half into 3 3s are 9, minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8, modulus, taking modulus it becomes 8. So becomes 4. The same way for A32, half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 2 half. Here it becomes 9 plus 2 is minus 9 plus 2 is 7. So 7 by 2. Now we need to find for A33. A33 equal to half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 3 is equal to half. 3 3s are 9, minus 9 plus 3 is 6 equal to 3. A34 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4. Now here it becomes half. 3 3s are 9, minus 9 plus 4 is 5. So it becomes 5 by 2. We have found all the elements. Now write it in the matrix. We know that A11, we know the order, just write in the same order. 1, half, 0, half. 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1. Now 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. We have written 3 by 4 matrix. We have formed the matrix with the given equation. That's all with the sum. Thank you.